In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address associated with your Amazon account. Whether you've switched to a new email provider, are consolidating your emails, or simply want to update your contact information, I'll guide you through this necessary process step by step. So, sit back and let's get started. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you are signed into your Amazon account. To do this, head over to Amazon's website or open the app on your device. Use your current email and password to log in. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the Account and Lists section on the upper right-hand corner of your screen. When you hover over Account and Lists, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select Your Account. This will take you to a page that houses a variety of options to manage your account settings. Now, look for Login and Security and give that a click. It's within this section that you can make changes to all the important security settings associated with your Amazon account. At this point, Amazon may prompt you to re-enter your password to verify your identity. This extra layer of security ensures that no one else can make changes without your permission. After verifying your password, you'll find a list of options, including your name, email address, and password. Locate the email address field, which is probably what you came here for, and click the Edit button next to it. In the space provided, go ahead and enter your new email address. It's important that you use an email account you have immediate access to, because Amazon will send a verification code to this new email address. Once you've entered your new email, head over to your new emails inbox and look for an email from Amazon. This email will contain a verification code, sometimes referred to as an OTP, or one-time password. Check your spam or junk folder if it doesn't show up right away, just in case it landed there. After you've found the verification email, go back to the Amazon website or app where you entered your new email address and input the verification code you received. You may be asked to enter your current password again for security verification, so have that handy. With the verification code entered and your identity confirmed, it's time to save these changes. Once you've clicked the Save button, your new email address will officially be linked to your Amazon account. It's as simple as that, and there you have it. Your email address in your Amazon account has been successfully changed. This update ensures you'll receive all future communications from Amazon to your new email. If there's any confusion or further questions, Amazon's customer support is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping with your updated Amazon account.